Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, two farmers were cultivating wheat on their respective agricultural land in a village. Farmer A had an average production of 20 bushels from a hectare. Farmer B, who had 15 hectares of more land dedicated to wheat cultivation, had an output of 30 bushels of wheat from a hectare. If Farmer B harvested 530 bushels of wheat more than Farmer A, how many bushels of wheat did Farmer A cultivate? Let Farmer A have X hectares of land. Then total number of bushels of Farmer A are 20x, and total number of bushels of Farmer B is 30 into x plus 15. Now, according to the question, 30 into x plus 15 minus 20x is equal to 530, or 30x plus 450 minus 20x is equal to 530, or 10x is equal to 80, and we get x to be equal to 8. Therefore, total number of bushels of wheat cultivated by Farmer A is equal to 20x, that is 20 into 8 is equal to 160, that is option C. The next question is, Shruti and Krishna left Delhi for Noida at the same time. While Shruti was driving her car, Krishna, an environmentalist by profession, was traveling on his bicycle. Having reached Noida, Shruti turned back and met Krishna an hour after they started. Krishna continued his journey to Noida after the meeting, while Shruti turned back and also headed for Noida. Having reached Noida, Shruti again turned back and met Krishna 30 minutes after the first meeting. The time taken by Krishna to cover the distance between Delhi and Noida is, so let the distance between Delhi and Noida, so distance between Delhi and Noida is d. Let the speed of Shruti be x and speed of Krishna be y. Then they meet for the first time after 1 hour. See, this is Delhi, this is Noida. So Shruti goes and comes back midway, and Krishna is over here. So we get x plus y is equal to 2d. After this, Shruti changes the direction and reaches Noida and turn back to meet Krishna a second time after half hour. So this is y by 2, this is x by 2. So now x by 2 plus y by 2 is equal to 2 into d minus y, and from here we get x plus 5y is equal to 4d. Now solving this equation 1 and this equation 2, we get 4y is equal to 2d, or y is equal to d by 2, or from here we get d by y is equal to 2 hours. So Krishna can cover the distance in 2 hours, that is option A.